Welcome to Today Talk. I'm Ravi Sharma and back to Today Talk. So, today topic is really interesting because today I'm gonna talk about something which is really important. It's about the communication skill. Today I went to talks. I went for cutting on a shop, on a barber shop. Then I listen the people. They are talking about all the shit. Some man, or I can say I don't say all the shit. They are talking in their about in their interest field. Someone is talking too much, and I was going there and I was just silently listening those guys talks. And after that, I that was my number, so I go there and started to talk with the barber. And in conversation, the main thing is about listening and talking less, listening more. It's really important. If you listen more, you understand better the questions, better understand the situation, and you give the other person to opportunity to talk more. And if other person is able to talk more, it's really good. There is kind of person who talk too much, and that's their beauty. And they some of them impress other people, and by their talk, by their jokes, they cracks and else thing. But if you really need a engaging conversation, that's the main thing. You have to talk less, and the better you talk less and listen more, you can understand the query better. You can ask the better questions, and that make your conversation so much better. And that's it for today video, I think so. But I want to make some longer, so I will talk about something else. Yeah, it's about the AI. The AI is really evolving so much fast, and I understand one thing, that my information, my knowledge, my intelligence is very limited. And the AI, artificial intelligence, or Mr. Sir, Mr. Sandeep sir, call it Sandeep Maheshwari sir, call it information, infinite intelligence. That's a true word. It's really good. It's almost infinite. And how it's growing? It's growing not by searching all the data. It's growing by how we use it. They take our data and they synchronize the informations, and they got the better viewpoint, the better understanding of human mind. And human query, it have all the question, it talk with you like that way. It engage in, it have all the intelligence to talk, how to talk with someone. It's ask you, keep asking you some more questions to make conversation more engaging. It's read all the books about, almost all the books about how the talking techniques, if I can say that. And so it's understand the better, and how to engage, how to conversate someone, so it's keep us engaging. And that's really interesting. If you want to make your communication skill better, that's a, you can learn from the infinite intelligence, or I can say that artificial intelligence. But I don't know the difference between artificial means artificial maybe, and infinite matlab, infinite means that there is no limit of the informations or intelligence. And I've heard that it's compounding every day. Yeah, it's compounding, and it's making things, it's making day by day better. So yeah, we are in a kind of different uh, era or world. And I am thinking about the, I am thinking about something like uh, what will happen after what will happen to the education, because it's know the all the maths, it's know all the theory, it's know all the question, it can solve anything. Like for coder, it understand the codes better, it's kinds of a language, and he we just get command and it's clear, it's give the answer to give the better code. It had already almost everything which is you think it has there. It has multiple language. And what will happen when you go for interview and someone interview ask what a question about maths? Do you think so? No, because it's so easy. We just type the command. But yeah, there is someone who needed the basic concept and the concept to handle that. And maybe I think so, because there is need for someone, because somebody is gonna use that. If somebody is not gonna use that, then how it becomes so much intelligence? But maybe in future it got like in this that kind of phase that it become intelligent. It's already happened, it become already, by it's evolved already by understanding the same thing and evolving by itself. It can generate some kind of inventions, but the invention would be used by humans, because we are the humans. And uh, so we will use that. At least some humans are needed, I think so, because I don't know what kind of humans. Maybe yeah, I think so that these would be very powerful human, which are in very powerful positions. We who are making, who are have millions or billions of dollars or crore rupees or any currency in the world, and who are in position, who are world leaders, they are gonna use that, because we are in main ruler of planet, and we use that information. Because but it, I can say that if someone have little money, because these are not so much expensive, and he can also invent something. Invention is going to be very fast. And yeah, there is lots of much coming. Everything will be like software will come, agents will come who can handle. Like if you talk about some field, like if I talk about digital marketing, there will be a website or uh, software which can auto scan the uh, trend, which can give better output. But there is human to check it out. But laterally, if it work better than then it work automatically, and there will be very few people who are doing that, who are doing, who runs that company to make things better. And yeah, it's become quite easy if you understand that. And I think so that this is gonna be very interesting, very very interesting. uh, Sooner the technology is very interesting, and I'm very thankful for it. um, and you must be thankful, because it's kind of technology which takes away burden of kids, burden of ourselves, of gathering knowledge too much, understanding, because we become uh, to learn multiple things later. Like we have to learn so much of coding. But these day, in this these day, I can say that if you have the basic knowledge, you can create websites. If you have basic knowledge, you can create a product. If you have basic knowledge, you can create anything you want to create, I can say that. If you have the basic knowledge and you know how the back end, how the, if you have the core concept, and if you're not expert in that field, but you can also create something if you want to create. And that's really a fun part. And so that's all for today video, I can say that. Yeah, one more thing I want to share before leaving, that I was thinking, I called the barber, the sir, he told me, okay, sir, your work is done, and he is using his local language, and exceptionally, he called me sir, and I said, okay, thank you, sir, and I was thinking, I called him sir, because at that point of time, my ego was uh, by listening, sir, you kind of satisfaction inside yourself, or you feel bigger, but that's not the thing, because I am just a human being, and being of humans, I understand that it's a kind of just word. He called me sir. It's uh, locally people call that, and I call him sir. And I was thinking, I call him sir, I call him sir. But later I think that, so what happened? Nothing. If I think about, then the things will happen. If I don't think about, then the things will not happen. And calling the sir is very good thing. Maybe it is odd for him, that I was thinking, but it may not be odd for him. Maybe, but in my thought pattern, I was thinking it may be odd for him, and I really don't know the reality. So it was my thought, and that's it. So it all, most of the time, it is our thought, that we think about something, we think about someone. It's all about the thought, and basically what we are just a bundle of thoughts. And I can say that I is also a thought, like I is a word. I can, if you think about, I is a word, and I is also a thought. So I is identity of us. Identity, like mine identity is I, and the things related to identity is I. But the all thing is happen in the realm of I. So that's a very good topic, and I'm gonna think I will cover it some other day. And what is I, and how to manage I? I is basically everything is connected to I, and there is a question: who am I? So who am I? Who is I? In my opinion, in my understanding, I is just a thought, but it's. I think that it's really, it's important to express ourselves, to say something to ourselves, but let's explore I some other day. And thanks for watching, if you watch it. And that's all for today video. Wish you all the best for the future. May you have a very good life. Best of luck for the future. Wish you all the best.